These are kumquats. And I'd like to tell you that when they come out of the kumquat trees, when they're picked, that there's no pesticides on them. But we live in an area where kumquats, where citrus is heavily pesticide. So what I do is I wash them because I eat these skins. I really make sure I wash them well. And sometimes I even wash each one individually. And these is really, what I like to do is I like talking rain. This particular one is just basically a sparkling spring water. I'm going to use sparkling spring water. I'm going to infuse it with the kumquat.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
So this is the first process. Step 1, wash your kumquats. And this one's not quite right. It'll just be more tart. Okay, so before you start this thing, it's important that you take these little stem things out. You see these right here? Okay, so you gotta pull them out. And it gives it such a nice flavor. Now I've already washed these, so we're just going to cut these in little pieces. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put them in the drink. So we get a glass of water. That's much better. Try that out if you want a unique kumquat to drink to add to your dinner. Thank you for watching.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.